What if Rico, one of the penguins that can't speak, made a mistake and got caught while he was spying, and he was tortured because they want to know who is he working for? Or what if Mr. Wolf from the bad guys had to take one for the team and went to prison, but he did one thing you are not supposed to do, which is to drop the soap. Today I'm turning Dreamwork's animation movie posters into horror, starting with the penguins of Madagascar. Let's start by placing this chair here, where Rico will be tied to. And obviously, we need to place a floor for the chair to stand on. Then I placed this wall as the background, and I extended it on the top. Now, let's place him on the chair and fix his leg to make him look like he's sitting on the chair. But he is too happy for a person, I mean a penguin that he's being tortured. So let's paint over his face and borrow part from this face and paste it here. But the mouth is a little bit off, so I'm gonna try to work it into place and blend in the edges. Much better. Now I'm going to take this rope and place it over him. Erase his hands and mask this part to make him look like he's tied to the chair. The scene is a little bit empty, so let's place one of the things they use to torture people for information. I painted that texture over him to make him look roughing up because he is being tortured, and then I painted shadows of the chair on the ground and also the wrench's shadows too. After that, I painted shadows around the room to make it look more intimidating. Let's paint this part of the wrench because it's overlapping to the dark part of the room. Now for your favorite part, the trauma sauce. Let's put it here and over his head. Go a little crazy with it on the body. We also need to put it on the wrench and on the floor, of course. Let's also paint some on the wall. And finally, I'm going to place the title up here, desaturate it a little bit to match the room, and place the credits down here. And here is the Penguins of Madagascar horror version. Like the video or you are up next on the torture chair. Now let's do the bad guys. I'm gonna erase the original post and build a shower using this tile image. I got this image of Mr. Wolf. Let's cut his hand, place it here, extend it, and make it 3D with a highlight. After that, I got this image for the feet. Let's place it here and extend it. Now let's place this here. He is bending over to reach the soap. I'm gonna cut this elephant's leg and place it behind him as his fellow image. Our wolf can't be standing on one foot, so let's duplicate this one to the other side and do the same thing with the elephant. Then I'm gonna put everything together with shadows and place a rain overlay as the shower water. Let's finish it with the title up here and the credits down here. And here is Bad Guys Horror Version.